Go home happy with the 2024 Honda CR-V Hybrid. With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. This stylish CR-V Hybrid is not only highly pleasing to drive, it also offers climate-friendly hybrid efficiency, a tasteful interior loaded with desirable tech, generous standard driver assist safety features, and a spirit of adventure that shines through on every journey. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: wireless Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, moonroof, keyless entry, satellite radio, power passenger seat, heated mirrors, adaptive cruise control, backup camera, power liftgate, aluminum wheels. Get the fuel efficiency you need and the style and versatility you want in this ingenious CR-V Hybrid. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.